In this video, I'm going to show you how to record on Cakewalk. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up Cakewalk, and then to start recording, you can see there's this record button up top in the middle, but whenever you click on it, it's going to say no ARM tracks, and then it's going to kind of give you a notification over here. So what you should do is you want to go to the left-hand side, top over here, and then click on create new track, and then you want to do mic/line in, and then here, as you can see, it's already noticing my microphone because I'm speaking, and you want to go ahead and click on this button, which is basically the track record arm. So click on that, there we go. And then when that's red like this, then you should go ahead and just select where you want to start recording, for example here at the beginning, and then just click this recording button at the top. And as you can see, it's now recording whatever I'm saying, or of course if I were singing, it would be basically recording my voice. So if I stop this right now and if I play this again, you'll be able to see I've successfully recorded my voice. Stop, and as you can see, it's now recording. Yeah, there we go. So that's how we record. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.